We always put them in the pocket.
Okay.
How long will that last you, Paul?
And the fuel
Yeah.
will last about 150.
Yeah.
Last about probably just over 2 days.
Seriously? They're expensive things to run though, aren't they? Jeez.
Right, okay, so I'm going to just pop, have you got the key again?
Yes.
I need the key just for this one. Let's do the key.
The other key, yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't got my gloves on, mate. Am I right leaving that for you
Yeah,
to do
that's
then?
Fine, yeah. Pop in there, and for us it's a shell, so I've got a shell card. And usually these pumps on the HGV
Yeah.
usually are good because they usually have that little switch. Usually,
They're a faster fill as well, aren't they, for the
but
HGVs?
this one isn't working. But usually you can press that and hold it.
So you've got to stand there now.
But yeah, but they do fill a lot faster than the
Wow,
pumps.
yeah. So when people moan about the price of the training course, they've got no idea really, have they?
No, they don't understand it. And it is, it's the fuel as well, the fuel's a lot now.
Yeah.
And everything's gone up, as you know.
It has, yeah.
They're £1.45 a litre now.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's the highest I ever remember it as well, to be honest. But I've enjoyed that. That's been good.
Okay, the key to where? Well, lads, he's not working. We've got another driver. He only uses, he and him only uses this all the time. And when he uses it, it's opened up. Right. He'd say not to know what. Yeah. The weird thing. Oh, so it won't lock on with it? No. We do lessons on that, by the way. We do lessons.
Get a business card out, Paul.
Take the number. We'll come down to your place.
Good effort.
We're quite cheap. 100 pieces of chocolate.
Yeah, I was going to say, you get a carrot, Paul.
Yeah.
Amazing. How much of a tank will that be, Paul?
So that's gone to 150. It takes about just under £400. Well, probably a bit more now because the price has gone up.
Jeez.
Yeah. So if you pop the key in, nice
And then lock it up.
and give it a twist whichever way it goes. How long did that last you? About 2 days. Yeah. There you go.
I'm driving now, so.
How is he?
There should be more.
Is he alright?
He's an instructor as well, so yeah. He's
If I can't do it, there's problems, you know.
Yeah, definitely good. Right, okay. Are you staying with it or are you coming?
Yeah, I'll stay in with it. I'll
Do you
stay in
want
with
me
it.
to
No, I'm alright.
leave?
Sound.